Want easy-to-use, hassle-free live streaming with all the cutting-edge features? Uscreen's platform has all the tools you need to deliver a high-end live viewing experience. Broadcast your live streams to any device and expand your audience and earning potential. With Uscreen, users can access live streams on your website, on your mobile apps, and on your OTT TV apps. Enable the live chat when you set up the event and engage your audience in the chat during the live stream. Our real-time chat box has awesome built-in moderation features and displays the number of total participants and current active users. You will be surprised at how easy it is to set up a live event. Just set a date and time and let your users purchase access to the event in advance. Once the live event is open for pre-registration, it will be listed on your video catalog page automatically. A countdown displayed on the event's page increases urgency and encourages sales. When you set up a live event, you can choose, is it a free live stream? Or do you want to monetize it? With Uscreen, you can include it in your subscription or sell access separately as a one-time purchase. Are you planning regular live events? Just add a custom live page to your video streaming website and list all your upcoming live events. Here, users can easily add events to their personal calendar. A brilliant way to reach more customers is to set up email notifications and push notifications to the apps. The Uscreen platform will send these out automatically before you go live to remind your users. And at Uscreen, your live streams are recorded automatically and are available on demand right after the event. Sign up for our free 14-day trial and start live streaming today.